Okay, now that we have covered the installation part, it's time for us to write our first PHP code. So for that, we are going to learn about echo. If you want to display a text or a number in your browser, we have to use the echo. So for let's create a file with the name of echo.php. Again, this the file name is completely up to you, but the file extension should end with .php, and anything you write in PHP, it should be between the opening and closing tags of PHP. Now, between this, we can write our echo function. So let's type echo, and in here, we will type our text. So, hello PHP. Now, your statement should end with the semicolon. Now, let's save this, and in the browser, we have to type the file name after our folder name. So, here we have, let's make bring it here. Here we have our folder name. Now, my file name is echo.php. Now, I got my text, and if I change it anything, because my live server is running, and clicks save, it will automatically refresh my browser. You can also use echo to output HTML tags. For example, in here, if I want to warp this and set h1 tag, I can do that as well. So let's write h1 here and close it in here. Now save. Now it changed to h1 tag. And if I change it to h2, this will also change to h2 tag. As we said in the previous video, you can also write an HTML inside the PHP file. So let's delete everything from here, and in here let's create an HTML template. Then inside the body we can create a paragraph, and in here let's type something. For example, this is a template with a small PHP code. We got our text in here. Now, if we want to write a PHP code inside this HTML template, we just have to create the tag. Okay, let's type here h1. Now, inside here, we will type our PHP code. So, let's open our PHP tag, opening tag, and type our echo, then our text that we want to display inside these the double quotations. So let's say hello PHP again. Now let's close our PHP tag. So let's type this. Now let's save. Now we got our text in here. Hello PHP again, and this is our p tag which is in here. So this is echo. When you want to output a string or a number in the browser, we will use echo.